Hi, my name is Mark Declerq, President of Applied Asset Management Consultants in Kalamazoo, Michigan.
And I'm Dave Medema, President of Medema Consulting in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
We'll be presenting at the IAM North American Conference 2021 on the topic of pipes and people. We'll be talking about people smarts and asset management.
What I will focus on in our webinar are several salient aspects of this topic. First, what is the value of having people smarts as qualities in essential leadership and management? Second, what are some of the elements of people smarts? Third, how does one assess and measure people smarts? Fourth, what is the impact of people smarts on asset management and organizational culture? And finally, how does one grow people smarts?
So please join us at the IAM North American Conference 2021 by registering on the IAM website. And we look forward to joining us on the topic of pipes and people.